We are at the Nassau Cruise Port. We were here 6 months ago, 1 week before the new section was opening up with all the shops and restaurants. It's 6 months later, and we're gonna go in and see what the new section looks like. Hey, first thing you see when you come in is the Museum of Junkanoo, which is the Bahamian street party. On this side's the Welcome Center.
Side by side, guys.
There's the taxi stand.
You want to put some history on that camera, young man?
We're good, thanks, sir.
All right, taxi.
Looks like there's 2 rows of shops on each side. So we'll go down one and come back the other. All kinds of local wear. Get your daiquiri stuff here. Another bar here. Another bar there. Little restaurant here. Over here is all hair braiders. I think I'm probably way past getting that done. This seems to be bar and restaurant row. It's just one after another after another. Oh, they got the full pineapple drink right there. Ice cream. The Bahama Mama Factory. Come down to an area that's not just your souvenir shops. This is going to be clothing and personal items, a little bit more high end over this side. It's a gelato store. The place is very colorful. Got another bar down here. The gallery and wine bar over here. Down here they have an amphitheater. They'll put concerts, performances. Who do we have around here? Santa! This area is not quite open yet. Not every shop is open quite yet, but I would say 90%.
In the text message string, click on my name, my number, and
Happy holidays from the Nassau Cruise Port. There's the #1 rum cake in Nassau, Blackbeard's. I mean, look at all these places. You are coming here for some kind of original Bohemian memento. It would not be hard to find. If you come to the back end of the new port shopping area, you come right out to the water. That building over there is eventually going to be a marina and restaurant. All these slips are going to be for boats to come in, tie up. And from here, you're a short walk over to Senior Frogs and the Luque Carry bar over there on the point. Okay, we've made the loop back to where we came in.